Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Yo, if you are somebody who have been thinking about joining LiveGood, but you weren't really sure if it's worth it, if it's a legit opportunity, are people really making money in LiveGood, this is the video for you. All right, recently I talked about somebody on my team who actually just hit $20,000 a month. All right, now keep in mind, as I'm recording this video, LiveGood has only been around a little over 6 months. All right, so the person I'm talking about, she was a school teacher, all right, when she started LiveGood. And after only about 4 months in LiveGood, she was able to replace her school teacher income with the LiveGood income, and she done. Right? She walked away from her teaching job. She is now doing LiveGood full time. So if this is not super motivating, I don't know what the hell is. Because this is somebody who I interact with on Facebook. You know, I talk to her and she's like phenomenal, right? But the cool thing about her is she's very, very simple. All right, how she grew her LiveGood business was very, very basic. She did it with YouTube videos and Facebook, right? That's how she got to where she was. She was very, very consistent, right, with talking about LiveGood. When LiveGood came out, like, all she did was just post videos, right? I would see them. I actually saw her before I even ended up being on her team. I actually was watching her YouTube videos and I was looking, I'm like, dang, who is that, right? And then I would watch her, you know, do her income proof videos like every week. And I'm like, damn, all right? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is real. So then I ended up joining, realized I was on her team, and I'm like, great job. You know what I'm saying? Because when it comes to LiveGood, when the people above you are doing good, it benefits you. When the people underneath you are doing good, it benefits you, right? So it's like a win-win situation. So you want people in the company to succeed. And that's what makes LiveGood so dope. You want the people who bring you in to be successful. You want the people that you bring in to be successful. So like a lot of people talk about LiveGood, you know, there's a lot of LiveGood haters and there's a lot of people who's all about LiveGood. But the bottom line is, it is a real opportunity. But the truth is, if you want to make these big numbers, right? Like you see some of these people talking about the $10,000, $50,000 a month, which people are making, right now. You have to treat it like a business. You really have to take it serious, right? Now, can you earn some money just by joining and casually promoting it? Absolutely. Can you make some money by joining LiveGood and doing absolutely nothing? Yes, you actually can. Will you be able to make the big money if you get involved with LiveGood and do absolutely nothing? Probably not. But the cool thing about LiveGood is it is so simple to promote, right? And then when you combine that with the fact that the compensation plan is just ridiculous, there's no reason why, if you join LiveGood, why you don't promote it. Because there's so many different ways that you can promote this opportunity. It's just really about you finding the thing that you're comfortable with and just doing it on a consistent basis. That's it. And to be honest with you, that's all you can really do, right? Decide how you want to promote this opportunity and stick with it. Because you need to realize this. Even if you join LiveGood and you know you're struggling to get your first commissions and everything, keep in mind, just by you having your $10 a month membership, it puts you in a position to earn money, even if you're struggling at the beginning to start making money. So bottom line is, this is a dope opportunity. I'm super excited about LiveGood. I'm already making money in LiveGood, so I'm definitely in it for the long haul. And if you want to jump on the LiveGood team, all you need to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.